first thing you want to do when cleaning the toilet is vacuum. Vacuum on top of the tank, beside the bowl, and unclip the seat to get around the connectors. Remember how we were talking about chemical reactions and how dangerous that can be. So here we have some bleach and we're cleaning around a toilet, and I just want to explain how interesting this is. So there is urine on the floor in this tile, and look what happens when you get a little bit of bleach mixed in with some urine, because there's ammonia in pee. There's no way around creating chloramine gas when urine and bleach react, so make sure you're being safe. Turn on your fan and open any windows anytime you're working with bleach. Now mix up a batch of water, bleach, and Tide and use it to scrub the tank, the walls, and the knobs. See how it's foaming? Again, it's like the chemical reaction of the urine and the bleach. But this is what's gonna get all those germs dead. You have to bleach your bathrooms. Use a paper towel to thoroughly dry everything off. Then continue cleaning the rest of the outside of the toilet. Save the seat to the end so you don't spread germs everywhere. Before reattaching the seat, give it a good cleaning along with the lid. I'm gonna use Barkeeper's Friend in this toilet because it has a pretty serious hard water line, and I know bleach isn't gonna work to eat away the calcium and the hard water buildup. You can use lots of different things in toilets. It just depends on the hardness of your water and how many germs you have. Bleach will leave everything streaky and spotty, so once you're done scrubbing, use Windex and a soft cloth or paper towel to make your toilet shiny.